I surprised 2 down there, so...
Enemy device active. Move to disarm.
Get him.
On the bomb behind
It is
it.
left to
right
you.
back there.
Get
To your
it
left,
done.
to your left, of course. He's
Left.
more to the left.
Left.
More to the left. Behind that generator, right in front of you.
Oh. Oh. Keep going.
Bitch.
EMP disarmed. Data center.
Oh yeah. Take him
Bitch.
out. There you go.
Give me a count. What's the score? How many people and how much time?
1-1.
How much time?
Don't know.
There's no.
110.
block.
110. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Oh yeah, straight now.
One minute remaining.
There you go. So he's probably hiding on his bomb, on his device.
Yeah, I know.
30 seconds. We are out of time. Move.
Just do it.
Shush.
You shush.
Fuck yeah!
Maintain pressure. Next round, we crush them.
Good shot.
Oh.
Tossed a grenade and went around.
God damn it, my heart's beating fast. Holy fuck.
Move out. Get the device.
That was some crazy ass shit right there. Jesus fucking Christ.